everyone, this is Brad from Mammotion Tech. Today we are going to do an unboxing and assembly guide for the Spino E1 cordless robotic pool cleaner. Let's get started. First of all, you can see a quick start guide, a user manual, power supply, and a hook to pull it out of the water. And this is the Spino E1. Here is a yellow button, press it, and take out the feeder basket. Press the white button here, and take out the desiccant. Close it and put it back in. This is how you charge the Spino E1. Remove the rubber here and plug it in.